Whew. Oh my god. So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? So, I just came back from church service and yeah, I just came back from church service. I just finished church service and I'm looking at, finding something to eat. I don't know if I should take oats. I don't know. I just don't know what to eat. There's literally nothing much in the house. But we're gonna find something to eat. Right? We're gonna go find something to eat. I think at the end of the day, like saying that oats win and more. So yeah, I'm going to have oats. I have a lot of things to do today. I have a lot of things I've mapped out to do today. Today is Sunday and it is actually the only time that I probably have, because tomorrow is Monday and tomorrow is work and I don't have strength. So everything I've mapped out to do today, I'll try as much as possible to do it. So guess who has been struggling with washing her clothes for a very long time? Yep, you're right, that's me. I just woke up yesterday morning and I decided to use all my money to go and buy a washing machine. God, that big go. This still sounds very crazy to me, but looking at my clothes being piled up in my laundry basket is driving me crazy. Now, currently in my compound, we are having water issues. There has been no water. Even the woman that normally comes to wash for me, I can't call her because there's no water, and I don't even have that strength, that energy to come and carry my clothes and be going to a laundromat to go and wash. I'm not even also ready to pay for Uber to take me to the laundromat to go and wash, because what type of wasting of money is that? So I just woke up. These clothes have been here for 2 weeks. I've not washed. What am I going to do? I was like, I am done with this. I'm getting a machine. I'm tired. So I paid for it. I got it online. I already paid. So I'll be going to pick it up maybe within the week. I come and wash these dirty things that I piled up here so that I will have clothes and I won't be going naked in Lagos. Don't mind me, I will not go naked in Lagos. I have enough clothes, but I need to wash. Washing is actually a big issue for me. Washing with my hands, most especially with my clothes. My clothes won't allow me to do anything. So let me just buy it and use it to wash. It's going to serve the purpose and it's going to save me the money I spend on paying people to wash for me and all that. So that one is settled. So let's find something to eat, please, before hunger will swipe life out of me. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm just going to have just oats, because at the same time I'm trying to lose some weight. I've gained a lot of weight and I'm trying to lose them. I've been taking my workout seriously and my gym subscription seriously, because why would you pay for gym and you're not going to the gym? Is something wrong with you? So yep, that's it. I'll eat oats, probably dress my bed, then do whatever it is I have to do today. Wanted to go do some maintenance, monthly maintenance, but I'm not in the mood to leave my house. Today, in the 2nd of July, I am resting in my room on my bed, to be precise. So yeah. This is enough, Jerry. It's not like I even want to take too much. Guys, guess what? Remember when I said that my mic spoiled? So I took it to work. We have a tech guy at work. I took it to work. I took the mic to work and I was like, Hamid, I don't know what's wrong with my mic. And I bought it for 8,000 naira and it has not been working for a while now. Hamid was like, what do you want me to do? He now opened it. He was now like, Chiso, but where I go see this kind battery now? Where am I going to say, Hamid, please try now? The next thing, he just plugged it. The next thing, he said, oh, I go there and test the mic. I now went, I tested the mic. This mic was working. And I'm like, Jesus Christ. Hamid, are you being serious right now? He said, but your mic is working now. What do you say is the problem? I said, Hamid, I swear this mic is not working at home. I mean, let me get my phone so that we'll test it on my phone. I quickly rushed out, got my phone, tested it, and it was working. I was screaming. I was so happy that day at work. I hugged him and I was like, thank you, I mean, thank you. I knew that if I bring this thing to you, that you will know what is wrong. I was so happy. That's how my baby girl is now back and running. So we're gonna be making really nice videos and really good use of it. All right, yes. So let me get into making of my oats. I don't really like cooking my oats for so long. I'm so hungry, Jesus. And I don't like taking hot oats. I have to allow this thing to cool down. And this hunger enter, like I'm literally very hungry. We've not had water for a while now. It's getting to 2 weeks or 3 weeks we've not had water. Said the pumping machine is bad. Oh, Nigeria, that's things you get to see if you're living in this country. So today I think I'll be making black soap. I make black soap and I sell them, not on a large scale, very small scale. So I already have a customer that is requesting for 3 bottles, 3 containers of black soap, and they've been pressing my neck for it. So I was like, babe, stop procrastinating, make this thing and give to them so that you will rest safe. So I'm gonna be filming a lot of it. Tell me if you want a tutorial for the black soap. I might be able to make a tutorial when next I'm making black soap, but I'm gonna film the process. Okay. This tastes so good. Let me go and watch a movie like while eating.
I stocked the fridge. Everything that you like.
I reckon you're gonna miss me a bit.
Of course I am. I'm sorry, though. these bananas?
Because I'm going to try to find them.
Why? The gas leak in the building a long time ago. Being 5 and 6. And I
basically just had my bath, and I had my night visit. I'm just tired. And I'm hungry again. This is 5:06. This is 5:06 in the evening, so I just want to dress my bed. My mixed spice, this is dry pepper, black pepper, this is thyme, rosemary, ginger, dry red pepper. In here I have my mixed spice, I have my crayfish and my seasoning cubes. The secret to not being confused in the kitchen is measuring out your ingredients first. If you watched up until this moment, thank you so much. Thank you. Kindly do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, stay tuned as I'll be posting more content. I'll try as much as possible to be incorporating more vlogs in my videos. Okay, this will bring us to the end of this video. Let me go enjoy my food and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.